Hello everyone, I'm glad to introduce the Qualcomm industry inspection solution. With this solution, we can see this part is for the model generation, and this part is our edge part. That's the first industrial AI camera powered by the Qualcomm chipset, which harness this power of the AI that Qualcomm chipset bring. First thing is to upload this sample images to the platform. Okay, we can check this already uploaded images. And the second step is to label it with this defects. Okay, we can label it with dirty area or scratch area with this pencils or whatever else. Okay. And after this model is trained, we can quickly do the model evaluation and also do this model validation. We can use a sample or other new collected images to verify or validate the model accuracy. And the next step is to deploy to the Qualcomm chipset or Qualcomm platform. We can just click this one and deploy this application directly to the remote AI camera. So this Qualcomm Smart Vision platform is on-camera system that is going to manage all the application and camera configuration. So the whole apply is quite simple and automatic way. So for this open platform, not only it's ready to deploy the solution that we can already deploy to the textile, to this inkjet printing scenarios, but with the open platform, our solution integrators and this end clients can quickly build their own solution with simplified pipeline